All right, let's go over how to draw Michelangelo from the Ninja Turtles. He's gonna be running, and this is gonna be in the video game, the new video game, Shredder's Revenge, all right? So real simple, easy for beginners. So stick all the way through the drawing, because even if you're not gonna follow along drawing with me, you can learn just by watching. And it's actually really entertaining as well. So let's jump in, either watch or check it out. So I'm gonna go right here, I'm gonna start with the top of his head, okay? It's gonna be pretty round on the back of his head. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a little bit of a bump here. All right, gonna go over here across now. Line over here for the the scarf that he puts around his eyes. I don't know what you call it, mask. Line down. Line over here. Curve down here for the eye as he's running to the right, and line in. Gonna go over here, curve. Line down. Curve for the back of the head. Go over here to the front, curve right there to the front of the nose. Down over here. And line underneath. All right, now I'm gonna go over here and draw the bottom part of the mask, okay? Line over there. I'm gonna go over here for the mouth. I'm gonna draw a curve down. Over here, curve down here. Over here, line. And I'm gonna fill this area in. Line over here. Curve. Line back for the curve of the tie right there in the back of the bandana. And line here. I almost forgot the word bandana, forgive me. Gonna go right here, other side, and curve in for the shorter bandana. Line. Let's go over here and curve. Line over here for kind of that chest plate area. Line over here, or the bottom of the shell. Curve down. Curve down. Curve down. Curve down. All right. I'm gonna put his belt across. All right, the belt area. This is Michelangelo. So I'm gonna go over here, draw a circle right there. Line across, line across. All right. Down here. Curve across. Down here. All right, gonna go over here on this side. Curve over here. Curve underneath. Kind of that's the shoulder. He's gonna have his shoulder back, by the way, as he's running. Curve right here for his side. Gonna go back here and I'm gonna draw a line back there for his bicep area. Curve right here for the tricep. Curve. Line. Line over here. Down. Curve. Curve right here for the kind of the wristband area. Curve right there. Line right here for his hand. Circle. Over here down. Line over here, and then curve right there for the hand right there. Line, line, circle for one nunchuck. Line over here. And the other part of the nunchuck is gonna be over here. The other side, it's kind of like he's grabbing, like, I don't know, like, looks like dynamite, honestly. We can put a couple of tape right here, maybe. Kind of to distinguish it from like something like dynamite. All right, I'm gonna go right here at the bottom of the belt area. Bottom of the belt. Curve right here for the leg. I'm gonna go right here on this side. Curve. Curve. Line across. Down. Curve. Curve underneath. Line. Line on the knee there. Down. Gonna put the belt all the way to the end there, but then now I'm gonna draw the shell in the back because it looks kind of weird, right? It looks like he's missing something. Let's put the shell back here. Line like right there. All right, looks a little better. All right. Line right here for kind of the where the belt ties. Line over here as well. Down. Curve. Curve right here. Gonna go right down here to the elbow area. Padding right there in the elbow. Curve. Line. Line right here. It's gonna be the forearm area right there. Line under here. Wrist. Let's go over here. We're gonna have his balled up fist. So one, that's a pinky finger. That's the other one, because remember he only got 3 fingers, and then that's a thumb. Curve, curve. Line over here. Over here. Downward, you're gonna see the bottom of the calf. Line. Out here, got those turtle toes, and back of the heel and go up there, right on. So now we're gonna go over here. Curve back. So maybe something like it's gonna curve right here. Line back. Let's see, the knee will be back there somewhere. Curve down. Line. Line right there for the toe as he's kind of running or jogging there. All right. Let's go with the shell. Pull these thin lines here. You can kind of pull across them. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a thick liner on the outside border, just slightly thick. And the reason I do that is because, by the way, if you're a Ninja Turtles fan, which I don't know how many there are anymore, to be honest, please hit that like. It's really, really gonna help me. I think it'll be amazing. You know, this is something from my youth, so I don't know if people are really gonna remember it. I mean, I know, I guess those movies do pretty decently, right? But they have those really monster-looking turtles. But let me know if you're out there, if there's fans of this still. If there's fans of this still, because it'll definitely warm my heart and make me feel good. Just kind of to know that there is fans of this still. But yeah, just throwing that thicker, slightly thicker line, nothing too wild, will, it's just good line art. It'll help out a lot. Whew. And there you go. That's Michelangelo, kind of running in Shredder's Revenge. Thank you so much. Please share the video. Oh, I gotta put an M right here. Please share the video if you can, anywhere on Twitter or Reddit or anywhere like that. It helps massively, and we're really close to 200,000 subscribers. You guys are the reason this channel survives. The shares that you guys do takes 2 seconds to share. It takes less than a second. Just go to the bottom right-hand corner and share, and you can auto share it to any platform you're logged into. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.